Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum. This is DJI Tello Killer. Is it? This is Xiaomi Mitu, a drone that competes to DJI Tello. I designed it for FPV racing indoors and to just have fun. Well, a lot of people have this drone and they are flying it indoors, but I thought I will fly it outdoors and show you how it behaves outdoors. Anyone can fly indoors, but how good it is outdoors, that's what we're gonna see today. It is a bit windy. Can it handle these winds? We're gonna find out right now. Before we fly, this drone has no GPS, so if you're expecting it to come back home, no, do not expect it to come back home. There is no auto return to home. This quadcopter has an optical flow and ultrasonic sensors on the bottom, so it is able to hold its position indoor and outdoors, given that you have a floor with a pattern. If you don't have a floor with a pattern, this is not gonna hold its position and you might get some funny results. This Xiaomi Mitu drone can record videos for you at resolution of 720p HD. Really? This is the era of 4K video and we are looking at a 720p HD video? Anyway, it can also take some pictures for you. You can set a fencing up to 25 meters. What makes Xiaomi Mitu one step ahead of DJI Tello? Well, flying these can be really boring, but what about battling these drones? Can DJI Tello battle? Xiaomi Mitu has a capability to battle 2 or more drones using its infrared shooter and infrared receptors. So if you're bored of flying this little 720p HD camera quadcopter, you can go head on with friends and family members and enjoy an indoor or outdoor drone battle. Unfortunately, I have just got only one, so I won't be able to demonstrate a drone battle feature or functionality, but I am going to demo how good it flies outdoor or how crappy it is outdoors. Let's find out right away. How do you fly and control Xiaomi Mitu drone? Well, there are 2 ways to control it. You can either order a twice radio for it, or you can simply use your smartphone to fly and control it. And all the videos and pictures taken by Xiaomi Mitu drone can be downloaded later to your smartphone. Now, connecting the Xiaomi Mitu drone is simple. Just put it horizontal, press and hold the on-off button. Then go to your phone and run the Xiaomi Mitu app. Once in the app, click the button. You will be inside the app where you should have the live video if your drone is connected. There you go. Now we have the live video. Alright? Okay, that's it. Let's fly it now. Now there are 2 ways to take off. You can either take off from ground or from your palm. So I'm gonna try in my palm to take it off from my palm. It's difficult to see in this sunshine, but here we go. Click it and say yes, and leave your hand. Once flying, all you need to do is control it. Check it out, how well it is handling these winds. Flying superb. Let's check its position hold. There you go. Hands free. Really nice position hold. I don't know if you can see the video or not, but hey, I'm going to record the video now. Alright, it's recording. The wind is pushing really bad and it's just going away. I don't want to lose control of it, so I'll just walk with it because I have set the fencing to 25 meters only. Okay, let's come downwards a little bit, losing altitude so it can fight the winds. Check it out. Now it's fighting the winds. Holding its altitude now. Let's get a good picture of my car. Ooh, nice. That is nice. But what if I wanted to do a panorama? It's unable to go against the wind. It's doing it actually. Not bad. Come on, Xiaomi Mitu. You can do it. Alright, we did it. Now backward. It's time to fly backward. Yes, it is doing it. Awesome. Alright, lose the altitude so we have the ability to come forward. Can you? Yes, it is. The altitude hold is amazing nice. And position hold, leave the sticks and see if it can find the floor. See, I told you, the floor has to have some pattern. So here are the patterns for the optical flow. On the road, it's having trouble holding its position, but on patterned area, it is absolutely fine. Let's take some pictures. All right. Okay, stop recording video. Take a picture. Got it. And it's flying pretty good. I have half battery left. Still awesome. Let me take one more shot right here. Let's see how high can we go. Well, do remember this does not have auto return to home. So it's just going away with the wind. Alright, I'll bring it down. It's basically flying very well. If there are no winds, it's gonna be superb. It's gonna be a lot of fun to fly it around. But with the winds, it takes time for it to actually go against the wind. Almost hit my car. Alright, let me just show you another feature, the last one, which is called, let's see if it will hold position over the road. Oh yes, it is actually, it is nice. You can also do 360 degree flips and rolls. So let me just do one right here, front or back flip, I believe. There you go. Oh, it ran away. It needs time to actually react and hold its position against this wind. We have another one. That was nice. Okay. Okay, I just got a message in Chinese saying that the battery is going away, so be careful. Let's land it, shall we? So just press land button and say okay. There you go, it landed. If Xiaomi Mitu drone is overheating, it will also give you warning and audible warnings as well, and you have to land and give it some cool down time.